This is the turning point. Paul stops waiting.
He decides he's got to do it today.
And right at the heart of the sentence, got to. You'll hear a pattern we've seen before. Same as episode 6. Let me show you.
Here it is. Slow, medium, and fast. He decides he's got to do it today. He decides he's got to do it today. He decides he's got to do it today.
He decides he's got to do it today. 4 strong beats. Sides. Got. Do. Day.
He decides he's got to do it today.
Remember whatta from episode 6? Got to works the same way. The T in got stops. Then to releases into a schwa. The 2 events. Gotta. Not the casual gotta in I've gotta go. This one has a clear stop first.
Remember episode 6? What to became whatta. Got to works exactly the same way. Gotta. 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 He's got to do it. He decides he's got to do it today.
Do it. A W glide bridges the 2 vowels. Do it. Then it today. T meets T and they run together. Do it today.
Do it today.
Decides ends in z. 2 consonants at the end. Don't separate them. Z. Decides.
Z. Decides.
Your turn. Shadow with me. Your voice on top of mine. Ready?
He decides he's got to do it today. He decides he's got to do it today. He decides he's got to do it today.
Do that 3 times here. Then do it 20 times on the site. Next week, he picks up the phone. He starts to dial.